Hello, honey. Good evening. Your microphone is mute. Yes. Good evening to you, honey.
Mm.
I'm really sorry about last night. Like there was an accident. Actually, I was really unlucky yesterday. Yesterday because on our way in our destination, the tire of our vehicle was flat. And then in our way back home, the chain of our vehicle was broken. So it was a very unlucky day for us. Okay, anyway, honey, how are you tonight?
So good. Because today my birthday.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Oh, happy birthday to you.
thank you.
How old are you now? I mean, how young are you now?
I'm 14 years old.
Mm, okay, way long to go. And how did you celebrate your birthday?
I decoration my house and invite my friend to my house.
I see. Did you had a great day?
Yes.
You should be. I hope you feel I hope and wish that you feel really loved in your special day, honey, until the rest of the night. Well, anyway, so are you ready to start our class?
Yes.
All right. So let us continue our lesson. We stopped last time from task 4 in this part. So you are going to explain the difference between sentences A and B in pair. Okay, in each pair. So like for example, it is having the same sentence. However, the form of the verb there is different. What you will do is you are going to explain their differences. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so number 1A, please read.
I'm doing my homework after school.
And 1B.
I I do my homework after school.
So what's the difference between the two?
Mm. A present continue and B present simple.
Okay, very good. That is exactly correct. So the meaning of it, Annie, what are the usages of the present simple and the present continuous? Like last time, we learned the usages of the present continuous and simple, right? So, in which usage does each sentence belongs? Like, what are the meaning of this? So, like for example, I'm doing my homework after school. So, what is this? What's the usages of it? Do you remember the usages or no? Okay, let me show you this one. So, like for example, honey, you are correct. It is the tense is present continuous. So this one is already arranged, okay, honey? So he is already planning. I am doing my homework after school. So that is already a plan. That is already an arrange, okay? Before the day ends, he knows already what to do because he already planned to do it or he already arranged his schedule to do it. Okay? Now, for the letter B, I do my homework after school. So this means I always do my homework after school. That means it is a fact. Okay, honey? So try to remember what are the usages that we studied last time about the present continuous and the present simple. And these sentences will gonna help you or let you analyze what are the usages, okay, of those two tenses. Okay, what about for the 2A? Please read.
Mm. You e-learning to drive. Many teenagers learn to drive when they are 17.
So what's the difference?
They present continue can be present simple.
Okay, and what about their usages? Mm, the usages. Do you remember the usages, honey? Okay, let me go back from here, okay? Here. So we use the present simple for something that happens regularly, always, or never. That is how you're going to use present simple. For the present continuous, you are going to use something happening at this moment. It means not yet done. It is still going on. Okay?
Yeah.
Another usage of present continuous, something happening around this time. Okay? Around this time or at this moment. If you say present continuous, the action is not yet done. It is still going on. And for the present simple, stating a fact. So it's all about stating a fact, happening regularly, always, or never. The present simple with a certain verbs. This one usually in continuous tenses. So always remember these verbs: believe, know, like, love, need, understand. So these verbs are usually in continuous tenses. Okay, honey?
Yeah.
Another usage for the present continuous is the future arrangement. So like for example, a while ago in number one, um, A, that is continuous because it is a future arrangement. Now, what you are going to do in the sentence is you are going to identify if it's present simple, it's because it happens regularly, or it's present simple because it never happened, or it's present simple because it's stating a fact. Okay? vice
mm,
versa with the present continuous. So I do believe that you can identify what type of tenses it is. However, you don't know why it is present continuous, why it is present simple. Then your answer will be it's present continuous. It's because it is a future arrangement. It is present continuous because it's happening around this time. It's present continuous. It's because it's using believe these verbs. Okay? Wait a minute. My screen is not working. It's pausing. Wait a sec. Okay, let's go back now to number 2. Okay, now here. Joe is learning to drive. You said it's present continuous. Why it's present continuous?
mm. Because is something happening at the moment.
Okay. What about letter B?
Uh, a stating a fact.
Okay, very good. So let's see. So at the moment, you are correct. And for to be, it's stating a fact. Now, what about for 3A?
A present simple
Because
because uh is it a a habit or a fact.
okay. What about for letter B?
Let it be present continue because it's a something happening at the moment.
Again, honey. Sorry, I muted my microphone. Number 4, please read it aloud.
Number four, we are going on holiday in August. We don't go on holiday in August.
All right, please tell me your answer. Why it is.
Mm, a present continue because it is future arrangement and be very simple. Uh, the fact or team.
Fact or what? It's a fact. I just heard clearly the word fact. Okay, so here, made. So haven't made a plan to go on a holiday. It means that it's a future arrangement. And
Mhm.
and Danny, there is don't go. It means we don't go. So that is never. Okay. Do you have any question? None so far? Okay, now I want you to complete the phone dialogue with the correct present simple or present continuous form of the verbs in brackets. Then listen and check. So I will give you 5 minutes, okay? Write your answer or
Yes,
yeah, you can just tell me once you are done. You can write your answer in your notebook or you can write your answer on the screen and then you are going to read and answer the
yes.
blanks. Okay, so your time starts now. Just tell me once you are done.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, now read the sentences with your answer.
Number two, I'm waiting.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Yes.
Correct. Number three.
Number three, are you going to? Are you going to?
Correct. What about for number four?
Or are playing?
Are playing. Sorry for that. Do you have the same answer with number five?
Yes.
Okay, well done. What about number six?
Six, is he doing?
Okay, is he doing? Correct. And number seven?
Don't know.
Ah, okay. Number eight, honey. What's your honest answer? Is it answering?
Isn't answering.
Is it
Yes.
the same?
Yeah.
Okay. Number nine, please.
Nine, I'm not buying
I'm not buying is correct. And 10 and 11?
that. Do you want and do you like and do you want?
Okay. Do you like and do you want? Correct. Number 12.
I'm not worrying.
I'm not wearing is correct. 13.
Are you worrying?
Are you wearing is correct. And the last number, 14.
Don't need.
Don't need. Okay, honey. Congratulations for all the correct answers. Job well done. So let us read the conversation of Leia and Toby. So I will be Leia and you will be Toby. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So hi Toby, what are you doing?
At the sports center, I'm waiting for Tom.
Are you going swimming?
No, we are playing table tennis. We play every Saturday morning, but he's really late.
What is he doing?
I don't know. Answering his phone. Where are you?
I'm at the shopping center, but I am not buying anything today. I'm just cooking.
Do you like table tennis? Do you want to play?
Sure, but I'm not wearing sports clothes.
Uh, are you
Are
wearing trainer?
again,
Are you wearing trainer?
are you wearing trainers? Again.
Are you wearing trainers?
Well done. Yes, I am with jeans and t-shirt.
That's fine. You don't need sports clothes. See you soon.
Okay, very good. Honey, can you say one more time? Clothes.
Clothes.
Okay, much better. See, so for task six, you are going to answer, okay, ask and answer questions, brother. Use the activities below or your own idea. So you can choose, okay, in your own preference. Just tell me once you are ready. So, like for example, what do you usually do after school?
Um, I usually do homework after school. Mm. Um, listening
And
to music after school today.
okay, I was about to say not today because it's Sunday today. You didn't go to school. Okay. So that's it. You're listening to music. And for
Yeah.
number three, what do you usually do at the weekend?
Uh, I usually visit relative at the weekend.
Does your relatives near at your home?
Yes.
Oh, walking distance? Only walking distance, honey? Like,
Yes.
oh, okay, that is great. And what are you doing this weekend?
Uh, I'm watching a film this weekend.
And what are you doing next? School holiday.
Uh, um, having a picnic with my friend next school holiday.
Okay. I think you have a lot of friends. Okay, honey, let's move on. So this is another grammar lesson. So are you familiar with the articles? Honey, do you remember what are the articles? Hmm? Do you remember or no? Do you know what is article or not? There are only three articles. Only three. There are three. The first word, it starts with the T. Okay? So first is T. You can use this for a specific. And then the second one is two letters only. And the last one is only one letter. Oh, okay? No idea?
So,
Okay, I'm going to give you the meaning, okay? Let's see if you will know this. The first one is use to use in a sentence with a specific topic. And then the second one is use in general. And for vowel. If the word starts with vowel letters, you're going to use this. And then the next article, it is if it is a what do you call this one? Vowel consonant letter. So you are going to use this if it's consonant letter. Sorry, this is wrong info. Use not in general, okay? This general is for this one, for the consonant letter. This one is a specific. However, honey, the first word should be a vowel. So like for example, you're gonna say an apple. Ah, I got it already. I give you the answer already, honey. Okay, so the first article is an. Oh, I give you clue already. The first article is an. What about this one and this one? Oh, you remember now. So what are the two more?
and
Okay, very good. That is the and okay. So these are the three articles. So I want you to look at the photo of the classroom and what is unusual about it.
mm,
Yes, honey?
the unusual thing about the classroom is that They are a robot is teaching the children.
A correct. So there is a robot, okay? A robot dog in the classroom. All right. So the robot in the right is a teacher. Now here for test 8, you are going to read the text and check your ideas. Would you like to learn English in a classroom like this? Why or why not? Annie, let's
Yeah.
read. Okay, read it aloud, please.
This is a classroom in a primary school in South Korea. The classroom is very high tech
Okay, one more time. Say classroom.
classroom.
Okay, great job. Okay, one more time. The classroom.
There are some students on the floor. They are playing with a robot dog. Is there a teacher? Yes, there is. The teacher is a robot. It's difficult to find English teachers in South Korea. So they are starting to use robots instead. The robot can speak and correct pron- pronunciation,
Pronunciation.
pronunciation.
Okay, correct.
Are the robots popular with the students? Chúng ta, the girl on
Popular.
the
Chongcha.
Chungcha, the girl on the right, says the robots are fun, but I think a real teacher is better. I hope robots don't replace teachers because I want to study English at
Languages.
university. English,
Yes, languages.
uh, English here.
Oh,
And at,
go on.
at university and be an English teacher one day.
All right, so you need to answer the question. Would you like to learn English in a classroom like this? Wait a minute, okay?
Yeah.
So, honey, we need to have 9 minutes left. Okay, so after the time, we only have 2 minutes left. Would you like to continue again? To have, or let us just see each other next meeting. 2 minutes left after the Zoom will be out. Would you like to continue for the last 2 minutes or no? Let us just continue our lesson after the meeting will end. Let us just continue the next 2 minutes next week. Let us just extend 2 minutes next week, okay? Is it fine
Yeah.
with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so we only have 8 minutes and 45 seconds. So answer me now. In your own opinion, would you like to learn in a classroom like this? Why or why
Mm,
not?
No, I did
Why?
because I think a real teacher is better and can understand students more.
Very good. You know, robot, in my opinion, robot is really good when it comes to knowledge. However, when it comes to emotional intelligence, a real teacher is better than a robot because a robot doesn't have feelings, right? Okay, so would you like to learn English in a classroom like this? Why or why not? Okay, here. Learn this. Use what kind of articles? Okay? Going to answer? We use blank to talk about something for the first time. So example, what is it? Please read, honey.
There's an interactive whiteboard in our classrooms.
Okay, so what is your answer? What article is the answer for number one? You can find the answers in the following examples.
Uh, one E or an.
Okay, very good. That is a or an. What about for number two?
Number two E the.
Okay, number three,
Number three is the.
the. Number four,
Yes. Number four E
a,
uh,
a. Okay, a
an.
or an. And number
Yes.
five,
Five the. The.
number six.
Number six E no article.
Okay, very good. There's no article. Now I want you to read the following letters by the usages of the different kinds of articles. So what does letter B says there? How to use the.
When we mention something again.
Okay, so for the first time when you are going to mention something, you can use a or an. But if you are going to mention it again one more time, you are going to use the. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, another usage of the is
When is it clear what we are talking about, or when there is only one of something?
example.
The sun is shining.
Okay, well done. So, for example, if you are going to talk about a specific thing, that is what I said. Like, for example, the sun is shining, or honey, when it is talking about a fact. Okay? Like, for example, the world. So, the world is round. So, that is a fact. Okay, another usage of a and is,
To say what someone's job is. My mom's a teacher.
okay, so that's the another uses of a and an. So know these phrases, listen to the music, go to the rainbow, play a guitar. You're going to use the, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, at this point, read the text again, match each of the highlighted words with a rule in the learn this box. Go. So like for example, we use a and to talk about something for the first time. So which of these phrases there? You're going to read, okay? Like this one, there is a highlighted, which belongs to letter A, B, and C. Do you know how to answer or you are confused? Like for example, honey, a classroom, is it belongs to um ABC or a primary school, which it belongs? Like a teacher, the teacher, the robot, the robots. A, B, or C?
A.
Mm, which belongs to A. which belongs to A. Do you want an example?
Yes.
Okay, like for example, this one. A classroom and a primary school. It belongs to talk about something for the first time. So that belongs to A. Now, for the letter B, what are the phrases there which has the the when we mention something again? Mention something again. Which phrase it is?
The classroom.
What else?
The classroom, the teacher,
What else?
the robots.
The robots.
Yeah.
Okay, so the classroom, the teacher, the robot, and you missed the
That's the
yeah, the students. So there are some students. Yeah, there are some students. It's already mentioned for the first time. Okay? And then it mentioned one more time here with the popular, popular with the students. Now, what about the when it is clear that we're talking about or when there is only one of something? You can repeat your answer.
the robots.
Okay, that is the robots and the girl on the right. Yeah, this one, the girl. Okay. So, oh, we only have a few seconds left. It's less than a minute. Okay, honey. So, if the video is out, it means our class is already done. Okay? And
Yeah.
I will see you on Saturday. Okay? But, honey, if you have a free time, just tell me and we can have a makeup class. Okay? Like,
Yes.
what time are you free? You can just message in the group, like, teacher, I am free at this time. Are you free? Can we have a makeup class from our class yesterday? Okay?